Welcome all to the online faculty development program organized by Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit University Ramtek. I am Gaurav Kutlak and today we are going to see basics of Moodle course creation. Moodle is an abbreviation of Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment, which is a free and open source learning management system, that is LMS. In short, Moodle is a course management system, CMS, a software package designed to help educators create quality online courses and manage learner outcomes. Moodle एक ऐसा ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज है जिसकी मदद से हम ऑनलाइन मूक प्रोग्राम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। हम इस सॉफ्टवेयर को कुछ लिमिटेशंस तक मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स नीड ओनली अ ब्राउजर, दैट इज इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, फायरफॉक्स, सफारी एक्सेट्रा टू पार्टिसिपेट इन ए Moodle कोर्स। जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि हाल ही में जो भी ऑनलाइन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर आए हुए हैं उनको यूज करने के लिए हमें एक स्पेशल एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है। बट Moodle की एक स्पेशलिटी है कि स्टूडेंट्स को कोई भी अलग से सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल नहीं करना पड़ता। जो भी इनबिल्ट ब्राउजर होता है उस ब्राउजर से ही वो Moodle के कोर्सेस एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। Moodle offers you to create the course based on four quadrant approach, that is e-tutorial, e-content, assessment and discussion forum. Four quadrant approach is very important, which is also emphasized by Swayam for their MOOC creation. So what are the types of user accounts? अलग अलग अकाउंट के लिए अलग अलग यूजेज राइट्स है। जैसे स्टूडेंट कैन ओनली इंटरेक्ट विद द कोर्स कंटेंट, टीचर विद एडिटिंग परमिशंस, they can populate a course with activities and provide learner feedback, that is grades, assignments, comments, etc. Teacher without editing permissions can provide learner feedback only, that is grades, assignments, comments, etc. Course creator can create new courses, teach within them and assign teachers. And administration can do anything and can go anywhere within a Moodle. There are some prerequisites to access the Moodle. First, which is very important, credentials to log in into Moodle program. It can be obtained from your institution or from the agency assigned for the technical service and support. जैसे हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में देखा कि अलग अलग यूज़र के लिए अलग अलग यूजेज राइट्स हैं, तो Moodle क्रिएटर के लिए उस हिसाब से लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल चाहिए जो जनरली उनके इंस्टीट्यूशन से हैंडल किया जाता है या फिर कोई भी एजेंसी उन्होंने अपॉइंट की होती है टेक्निकल सर्विस एंड सपोर्ट के लिए, वो क्रेडेंशियल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं। टीचर्स या कोर्स क्रिएटर को मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये क्रेडेंशियल्स क्रिएट नहीं करने पड़ते। द सेकंड थिंग इज अ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर. It is very difficult to handle the Moodle on phones and other devices. A personal computer is very necessary. High speed internet connection at least 1 Mbps. Moodle कंटेंट क्रिएशन ये थोड़ा हेवी काम होता है तो उसके लिए हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है। देन रेडीली अवेलेबल मटेरियल फॉर क्रिएशन ऑफ ए कोर्स. कोर्स शुरू करने से पहले, कोर्स क्रिएट करने से पहले ये मटेरियल सब रेडी होना चाहिए हमारे पास, ताकि एक बार कोर्स हमने डिज़ाइन करना शुरू कर दिया तो उसमें बाद में प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो। सो लेट्स सी द लेआउट ऑफ द Moodle. ये Moodle का होम पेज है, आप देख सकते हैं। ट्यूटोरियल पर्पस के लिए सेपरेटली बनाया हुआ है इसलिए ये पूरा एम्प्टी दिख रहा है। जैसे ही इसमें कोर्स ऐड होंगे तो यहाँ पे ये कंटेंट दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा। हियर इज द यूजर नेम ऑफ द यूजर. देन देयर आर सम मेनूज like profile, grades, message, preferences and logout. Here you can log out by using this option. On the left side there is a dashboard, then site home, then calendar, private files, content bank which is new features added by Moodle, and then site administration. You can hide this navigation panel by clicking on this option, or you can bring back that navigation panel by clicking on this option again. There are several options on the left side on this navigation panel. The important option is site administration. We will see how to add a new course category. First click on site administration. Always remember, if you don't have a right to add the course category, then you cannot add the course category. You should have those rights by the administration. After clicking site administration, you can see there are several options on this tab. Click on courses, then click on the first option, manage courses and categories. The new page will open. Here you can see there is the option create a new category. You can select here the parent category. If you don't want any parent category, then you can select top. Then you can select category name. For example, I'm typing here certification. If you want to add the category ID number, then you can add, otherwise you can leave it empty. Then description, you can add description here. For example, I am typing, these are the certification courses offered by Kavi Kulaguru Kalidas Sanskrit University. So after editing the description, you can click on create category option. A new category has been added to the list. If you want to hide a particular category from the viewers, you can simply click on this option to hide the category. And if you want to unhide the category from the user, then you can again click this option to show the categories. If you want to change the order of the categories, if you want to move down this category, then you can use this down arrow like this. This category is now on the second rank. And if you want to again move this category up, you can use the arrow and the category will switch to the top rank. कैटेगरीज को एडिट करने के लिए और भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. यहाँ पे एक गियर आइकॉन है जिसको फंक्शन आइकॉन भी कहते हैं. इस पे क्लिक करने के बाद आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिखाई देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल एडिट पे क्लिक करके उसका नाम कैटेगरी चेंज कर सकते हैं, आईडी चेंज कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको कैटेगरी डिलीट करनी है, जैसे अगर मुझे ये सर्टिफिकेशन की कैटेगरी डिलीट करनी है, तो मैं डिलीट पे क्लिक करके ये कर सकता हूँ. You just have to confirm to delete the category. Now let's see how to add subcategories to the category. For example, this certification category, I want to add subcategory. Click on this gear icon and click on create a new subcategory option. Here new window will open and you can add a subcategory here. For example, I want to add here short term certification. I want to leave the description empty and I want to create the category. So here you can see the subcategory has been added. Here all the options similar to categories are available. You can add a number of categories and subcategories in this way. Now let's see how to add a course into the Moodle. To add the course, you can go to the site home and then click on add new course option, or you can go to the site administration option and then into the courses option you can select add new course option. So after clicking add new course option, here you can see there are several fields to be filled. So course full name, here I am giving the name Yoga Certification. Course short name, that is abbreviation YC. Then course category, I want to add it into the certification. Then course visibility, I want to show. Course start date, I want to start the course on 1st September. So here it is, course start date 1st September 2020. I don't want to mention the time, so I am leaving the time here 00. Then course end date, it is a 15 days course. It will end on 15 September 2020. I don't want to mention course ID number. Here in the description, you can add course summary, course image file. The course image file will be shown at the dashboard. As an overview of the course, to upload the file, click on this box. A new window will appear. You can upload the file or you can give the URL for the third-party website. I'm uploading it from my desktop. Click on browse. I have one random image here. Double click on the image. I want to choose Creative Commons no commercial share alike license. Upload this image. Then course format, topic format or weekly format. In what way you want to divide your chapters, in topics format or in the weekly format. Then there are other options. In the appearance tab, you want to force language to English or not. Number of announcement, I want 4 announcement. Show gradebook to the students, yes. Show activity reports, no. Files and uploads, the maximum limit for uploading the file is 32 MB. Completion tracking, yes. Then groups, if you want to divide your students into the groups, then you can use this option, yes. Separate groups, visible groups. Then role, you can assign role to the people as manager, course creator, teacher, like this. Tags, tags is very important for course. Student can navigate and student can search easily your course and the enrollment will increase to your courses. Here the course is related to yoga, so I have added some keys or we can say that tags. Here yoga, short-term yoga course, yoga certificate. To add the tag, click on this box and enter the tag like certificate. Tag will appear here. Then you can save the course, save and display. Here we have seen how to add the course into the Moodle. Now if you want to delete any particular course, then how to do it? Let's see. Click on site administration option. This page will open. Now click on courses option. Now click on manage courses and categories. This page will open. Now here you will see there is no course on the right hand side because I haven't chosen the category yet. So after choosing the certification option, the course will be shown here like this. Here there is a bin option. The symbol like bin is shown here. Click on it. It will ask for the confirmation. Yes, I want to delete this course and confirm delete. After clicking on this option, the course will be deleted. So in this way you can add the courses. If you want to add more courses, you can again click on this option and you can add the courses. You can add n number of courses into various categories. If you want to copy the course, you can copy the course. The exact same course content will be copied and the duplicate of that course will be created. If you want to edit some features of the existing course, you can click on this icon, edit icon, and then the page will open. For example, if I want to change or if I want to extend the time period of this course, like if I want to extend this by 15 days, 30 September is last date for this course. I am saving it. If you want to see how your courses will appear, you can click on site home button. Here your all courses are there. Here we have created one course. You can see here yoga certification, the title, and the image representing the certificate course is here. There is no description and the contents are here. In this tutorial, we have discussed basics of Moodle course creation. In next part, we will see the content management of Moodle course. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.